Celebrate Use Your Common Sense Day. Today on today's special day. Let's face it, even though it's called common sense, we've all been guilty of skipping the basics now and then. Today we're counting down the top 3 most common sense fails we all make. Fail number 3, ignoring that low gas light driving along, everything's fine, until that little orange gas light pops on. Common sense says fill up now, but instead we tell ourselves, I can make it a few more miles. A surprising number of us end up stranded just a mile or 2 away from a gas station. Fail number 2, overloading the grocery cart. We're all guilty of thinking, I don't need a basket, I'll just grab a few things. 5 minutes later, our arms are overflowing with items we didn't even come for. This common sense fail happens so often, especially when we're trying to save time. Next time, just grab the basket. Number 1, trying to carry too many things at once. This common sense fail often ends in a dropped phone, spilled coffee, or worse. Save yourself the trouble. Carry a foldable bag to put items in, or just carry an everyday pack. So which one did you relate to most? Remember, using your common sense isn't always as easy as it sounds. But hey, today's a great reminder. Follow us to discover more from today's special day.